In this video, I'm going to show you soft and delicious Lonavala style chocolate almond fudge.
Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel The Terrace Kitchen. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. If you would like to see our recipes in Hindi, do check out our channel The Terrace Kitchen Hindi on YouTube. Do let me know your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. Let's quickly take a look at the recipe.
Heat a pan and add half cup almonds or badam. So first we're going to dry roast the almonds. It will give these almonds a very nice lightness and crunch. So on medium flame you need to roast these for 4 to 5 minutes. And then switch off the flame and let them cool down. And after that, only after the almonds are cooled down, you need to add them to the blender jar and grind into a coarse powder. Now let's move ahead. So in another pan add half cup condensed milk. At this time, the flame is low. To this condensed milk, add 1/4 cup cocoa powder. I'm using the normal, natural, unsweetened cocoa powder. That means this cocoa powder is not sweet. So you need to mix this mixture well. After that, add 3 tablespoons butter and give it a good mix. You'll notice that the butter will start melting and it will be well incorporated with the entire mixture. And after that, you need to keep cooking this mixture between low to medium flame till it thickens. So you can see it has started to thicken. And once you see that the mixture has started to lose the sides, then add the almond powder. Give everything a good mix. And just within another minute or two, your fudge is ready to serve. Take it out in a plate or butter paper. You can see it has completely come off the sides. So that's when you know that your fudge is ready and just perfect. Spread it and you can eat it when it's warm. It tastes best when it's warm. And I'm going to finally sprinkle it with some more almonds. And yes, you can store this in an airtight container in your refrigerator, and when you want to eat it, just warm it up in your microwave and enjoy this heavenly, out-of-the-world fudge. Easy recipe, few ingredients. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.